Introducing the Bantam Tool. In this video, we're going to cover an overview of all the tool parts and components, how the tool works and what the tool does, and how to properly apply a band clamp. We're going to start with the nose of the tool frame. On the nose of the frame, you'll find a slot for band insertion, a cutter bar, and attached to the cutter bar is the cutter bar handle. On the belly of the tool, you'll find two tension release levers. Here we have the ratchet handle. Now, on the left side, we have a slotted entrance on the winding mandrel. On the right side, this is the winding knob with the hammer surface. This pin right here is called the handle locking pin. It will change to 3 different positions: pistol grip, straight, or angled. How to properly install the clamp tail into the tool. First, you need to ratchet the tool so that the winding mandrel lines up with the band upon insertion. Now that we have that, we're going to slide the band tail through the nose of the tool, past the cutter bar, and into the slot of the winding mandrel. You want to get as nice and snug against that buckle as you can. Make sure you have sufficient bend in the winding mandrel so it's not going to whip out in any kind of way. Now with the ratchet action, tension the band until the clamp is nice and tight. If necessary, you may reposition with the release levers at any time in your clamping process. What I did here was insert the band around the mandrel. Now we're ready to tighten our clamp down. To tighten, all you need to do is squeeze the ratchet handle until your max tension is acquired. Now that we have reached max tension, we are going to roll the tool over until it's as far as you can go. Now, cut off. What we're left with is a tab sticking up. You can either use the hammer surface of the knob to hammer down the tab between the ears and the ears down to the tab, or you can use a hammer. Today, I'm going to use a hammer. So we're going to tap those down between the ears. Go ahead and fold the ears over. Now that we completed our clamp, remove any excess material from your tool and you're ready for your next clamp.